Hi to everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to explain you what to expect when you hire tour guide system from us and we not going to meet each other. So for example, when we bring the bag to reception on your hotel and leave the bag and then you later collect it. So in this case, because we not meet you in personally, there is no chance to explain how and where to find all devices. So this is typical example of the hire. So you will have the bag like this one. It can be black color or it can be gray color, but a part of color is everything pretty much the same. In the first compartment you will see and you will find normally microphones. We provide two microphones for each transmitter. For example, this set is prepared for 32 guests and one tour guide. So for the tour guide we have two options to choose from: the over-the-head microphone and clip-on microphone. The best options gives you over-the-head microphone, but only if you wear it correctly. So if you wear it correctly, your ears should be here. So if you do it correctly, so this gives you the best sound quality, because when you turn your head, the microphone stays with your same proximity to your mouth. So if you put it on your neck or on your head, on top of your head, uh, is not the best option. Do not use it. If you use it correctly. If you don't use it correctly, use clip-on microphone. It's much better in this case. So you have two microphones to choose from for each transmitter, as I said. Okay, and you can find them on top of the bag. All right. So the main compartment of the bag, as you can see, is for 45 devices. So the nine here, 5 here, is a 45 together, but this current one is 32. We can double check. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2. They are receivers, and this is transmitter. So it's very easy to use. Press and hold this red button until you switch it on. When you switch it on, immediately there is no lock here. It means that by mistake you can use these blue buttons and you can change channels by mistake. Instead of doing that, when you switch it on, please wait a little bit until lock appears here. So when the lock appears here right now, you cannot change channels because they are locked. So it's the same here. When you switch it on your receivers, again, immediately there is no lock on the screen, so you can easily change channels, so you don't need to do it. And instead you need to wait. When the lock appears here, you cannot change channels now. Okay, so if you have any difficulties with the sound, it means that someone else using the same frequency that the system use. And in this case, it's less than 1% you need this information, but just I would like to prepare you for everything. So you need to change channel. It's very easy to do. Again, because it's locked now, you need to unlock first. You take your transmitter, unlock the screen by pressing and holding these two blue buttons together. When the lock disappeared, now you can choose, I recommend step 8, so channel number 8, and wait until lock appears here. So now lock is here, and all devices which been switched on, they automatically changed to the same channel. And I will do it again. So press and hold these two blue buttons, remove the lock, and return to channel number 1, which currently all devices set to. All right. So, and then again, they now in the channel number 1. Again, if it's less than 5%, you need to replace batteries. If you do need them to replace, you can do it very easily. So batteries there. Please, when you replace batteries, don't forget to press hardly the lid, because sometimes you do it like that and you can lose the lead. And in this case, we have to charge you for all device to recover, because without lead we cannot rent it out. Okay. Very important to understand, if you want to mute yourself, is not enough just remove the microphone from the socket, because when you do it, automatically this internal microphone starts picking up, and if you go to toilet, remove the microphone, all group still can hear what you're doing. Instead of that, use this wheel, and even your microphone is here. When you use this wheel until the minimum, when the light is flashing now, the green one, as you can see, nobody can hear you, even if your microphone still here. But don't forget, when you resume your tour, bring it back to maximum, because each participant, they have their own wheel, they can adjust volume as they wish, but your one should be normally be on maximum. Also, if you have pause like half an hour, I recommend to keep the devices on, because if you have pause half an hour, you switch this transmitter off, and in 10 minutes all devices, all receivers will be automatically switched off. And then when you need to resume your tour, you need to switch on each device, each receiver manually again. So if you have small pause like half an hour, maybe even 1 hour, use this wheel instead, but keep it switch on, and all devices will be live. All right. But when you complete your tour, don't forget to switch transmitter off. Don't worry about receivers, because they automatically switched off. But if you leave it overnight on, you will consume the battery energy. So don't do it. When you complete your day, switch it off and put your transmitter here. Right, this was the main compartment. And here we have your headphones. Normally we supply them in packs of 10, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 20, it's 30, 1 and 2. Also, we have here small pocket where you can find the spare one. Please, if you leave the bag, for example, in your coach, take it with you, because if the headphone failed, you have spare one. All right. Also, take at least one pack of the batteries. They are spare batteries. As I said, it's very unlikely you need them, but it's better to be prepared. So this is your set. Also, here you can see our office address. If you booked with the return to our office, you can find our full office address is here. Yeah, with the telephone number, so you can bring it to our office and leave on reception. And also, if you collect from reception from our office or from hotel where we deliver, so normally we put the sticker here with date and time when you come to collect this bag, with your name and with your telephone number. So this is it. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. So thank you so much.